What's up, everybody? Giving an update on the van. We made a bit of progress since our last video. We have not been doing regular updates, so sorry about that, but we'll do everything at once. So I don't know if I talked about it before, but we decided that we were going to build what's essentially like the closet area that's going to be on the side of the bed. So we have a mattress that's going to come from the end of this little bed area and lay that way. It's a queen short mattress, so it measures almost perfectly. We may have to trim it a little bit in the corner, but we'll figure that out later. It's memory foam, so we can cut it. So this right here we put together, and this is, the mattress is going to come up to the bottom of this little bottom shelf right here, and then this is going to have some doors that's at an angle that can open up and lay flat, so you can set your drinks on it and stuff. It'll have like 3 doors. I got the idea from Vanimals at Vanimals.com, so shout out to them. It looks like a good idea, so we're going for it. And then we decided when we were building it to put this extra shelf in, just to have some extra storage space as well. Okay, next. So we framed out this wall. So basically we're trying to figure out how to get as much space as possible, because the mattress, we want it to have as much space over so everything fits, etc. So there's a little bit of radiant barrier, more than insulation behind this panel here. And then we framed it out and cut this at the same angle as the wall so that we can kind of build up from there for the cabinets, etc. And then yeah, so we squared it out, so I'm not sure what's going to happen there or on the other side right there, but it just seemed most logical to square it out. And like I was saying, the bed should actually slide all the way back to where this bin starts, like right here. So we're going to have to deal with this little section somehow. Since it's memory foam, we might just cut a little insert and it'll just hold everything, but we'll figure that out. Apart from that, yeah, did I talk about this part yet, Lauren? Okay, so since we're in warm weather and we're not going heavy insulation, we didn't want to just lose all this space right here. So we basically put a radiant barrier back against the wall, and then we're going to build out, there's a little wood down in here, a wood shelf, and then little wood inserts. That's just to give us this like maximum storage area. So what's going to happen is we'll have basically just a little pop-out box right here that creates a shelf that runs all the way, and then this is going to be just kind of reinserted into a little square box and then run flat here so that we can close this gap. And then we're going to put some little doors, or put like a hinged angled door that leans up against that little shelf that I was talking about, so it'll just be sitting kind of at an angle, and then you'll be able to just open it up, put whatever you need back in there, and then it's kind of just like a hidden wall shelf area. We'll put backing in these and make it look good, but it's behind a cabinet door and it's just extra storage, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, that's coming along, and then that's that. I think we're good. My brother Josh has been helping do a lot of this stuff. He's really good with the woodwork and stuff, and I'm learning. And what's next? So next we will probably build this shelf that I was talking about, and then have the door that comes down and closes over it. And then we'll run some bungees just to like make sure you can like put bottles or whatever, cosmetics, any extra food in the last ones or something that you may need. And then we're just going to build a squared out one on this side and attach it to a full cabinet on that side, because that's kind of not going to be headspace or anything. So we'll have like a plug over there, and I feel like I've been talking forever. So we'll have a plug over there so you can hook up your iPad or whatever, and then yeah, full cabinets, and then I don't know, we'll see what happens next, but this is where we are, and this is the progress that we've made, so looks good.